The spin boat is a 1-hour trip which goes upstream. If it's hot and you want to cool off, it's a great place to be.
Fantastic! Couldn't be better, man.
It's awesome.
Oh, definitely go. Definitely go.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We did a spin boat today where we got a little wet. We went up through White's Rapid and splashed around a little bit. It was fun. For the spin boat, we would recommend that you wear some sunglasses or some kind of eye protection, but you also need to have them strapped down because sometimes that water comes up over the top of you and it's going to take those glasses right off if you don't have something holding them. If you're doing the spin boat, you may want to be in a swimsuit because you're going to get soaking wet. When we're also traveling fast, you don't want to be wearing a hat. It just will blow right off and you'll lose it. And so we recommend you just put on some sunscreen and we just take you out on the spin boat. The spin boat is a fast moving boat and it goes through the waves and you're gonna get thrown around a little bit, and when it spins, it comes around fast. So you gotta be holding on, and we also stop very fast and the water comes spraying up over you. It's an amazing ride.
The boat goes about 60 miles an hour. It was built by Waterman Welding. It's a one-of-a-kind boat. It holds 20 people, and it has 2 Cummins turbo diesel engines in it. It's the 6.7s with the Hamilton jets, and it gets up and goes really quick, and it stops really quick.
I love driving the spin boat. It's a different world when you're up in the rapids, and it's an amazing ride. These jet boats, they fill up very fast, especially when it's warm outside. We treat everybody when they come here like their family. We want you to feel like you're part of Moab when you're here.